Have you ever stopped to wonder, why do we actually need to eat? It's more than just satisfying hunger. Food is essential for our very existence. First and foremost, food gives us energy. Think of your body like a car. It needs fuel to run. Every activity, from blinking to breathing, running a marathon, or even just thinking, requires energy that comes directly from the food we consume. Secondly, food helps us grow and repair. Our bodies are constantly changing, building new cells, repairing tissues, and growing. Whether you're a child growing taller or an adult healing from a cut, the building blocks for these processes come directly from the nutrients in your meals. And finally, food keeps us healthy. It provides vital vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that strengthen our immune system, protect us from illnesses, and ensure all our bodily systems function correctly. Without these, our bodies can't fight off sickness or stay strong. So the next time you eat, remember, you're not just filling your stomach. You're fueling your energy, building your body, and boosting your health. It's truly amazing what a simple meal can do. Subscribe for more amazing facts.